Welcome back to Meditation Eye. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of you might find relatable: commuting. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to explore how you can turn your daily commute into a meditative experience. 5 years ago, I lived the epitome of a stressful and long commute, spending over an hour to commute less than 2 miles from my apartment through a stampede of thousands of office workers. The intensity of the commute was exacerbated by the dog-eat-dog nature of the job. Arriving in top shape wasn't an option, it was a necessity. One day during a particularly brutal bus gridlock, I plugged in my headphones and turned on a meditation. The centering compassion transformed my mind-body experience to one of peace and acceptance. Commuting is a necessary evil in many post-industrial societies. Urbanization has brought people into cities in pursuit of work, increasing population density in urban centers and forcing folks to move further away from their jobs to obtain a higher quality of life. The Scandinavian Journal of Economics found that individuals will often accept a job with a longer commute in pursuit of more economic opportunity, resulting in higher pay but lower overall well-being. For many people, commuting often means spending more than an hour each way on the train to the distant suburbs, then fighting through swarms of commuters to walk to the office downtown. The train ride typically turns into a mobile office. People arrive at their desks at 8 a.m. already having worked since 7 a.m. or earlier. Each additional minute of a commute can mean an increase in eventual health problems for long-distance commuters. Scientific American found in a 2005 article summarizing finds from several studies. A longer commute means less sleep, more stress, and less time spent with loved ones and on self-care. But what if I told you that there's a way to turn this stressful time into a peaceful and mindful experience? Yes, it's possible with the power of meditation. Meditating during your commute can be a powerful tool to bring you home to yourself in the moment, with after effects that last throughout the day. It can help to alleviate physical, mental, and internal stressors, helping you arrive fully at work or home at the end of the day. Thankfully, there are simple and safe practices to explore whether you're walking, driving, or riding public transportation. Thank you for joining us today on Meditation Eye. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with meditation and mindfulness during your commute to and from work.